Open market operations are the primary tool the Federal Reserve uses to influence the economy, but what are they and how do they work? At the center of this is the Federal Reserve, the central bank of the United States, which manages our nation's money supply. The Fed uses these operations to adjust the amount of money in the banking system, which directly impacts interest rates. By buying government bonds, the Fed adds cash to the system. By selling them, they pull cash out, nudging interest rates up or down. The Fed chooses between these two approaches depending on whether they want to stimulate the economy or fight inflation. When the Fed sells bonds, the cost of borrowing typically rises. When they buy, borrowing becomes cheaper for banks, businesses, and consumers. Think of it as a dial that controls the flow of money. It is the most frequent tool used to keep the economy stable. Understanding these operations helps you see the bigger picture of how markets move. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money basics.